Hello, welcome to another microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. In today's video, we are going to look at creating a temperature sensor with a microbit. So this is a really simple piece of code, but it's really useful and we can do lots of things with it. So at the moment, when I press button A, it's displaying the temperature. It's saying it's 23 degrees Celsius. So let's see if we can change this temperature. I've got an ice pack here. So I'm going to set the microbit on top of an ice pack. I've made sure to wrap it in plastic so the microbit doesn't get wet. And we'll just wait for a few minutes. So it said 23. You can also make this more complicated with a maximum and minimum temperature sensor, but I'll do that in another video. If we press this now, it's gone down to 22. And maybe if I wait, fast forward the video, there's it at 21. And 20. So you get the idea that I can change the temperature. So you could put this microbit in lots of different places around the school, around your house, and see what the temperature is. So the temperature sensor code is quite simple. So I've gone on to make code and I've created a new project called temperature sensor. And all we're going to need to do is on button A pressed, we're going to show a number that is temperature. So I'm going to find on button A pressed, I'm going to go into here and I'm going to find show number. And finally, I'm going to go into input and I'm going to find temperature read in Celsius. So now when I press button A, it's going to show the temperature in Celsius, and I can increase or decrease the temperature here like that. So download this onto your microbit and see if it works. And I hope to see you in another video soon.